talk the truth. Has anybody ever wondered where demons come from? There are four major beliefs about where demons come from. So let's get into it. The first belief is a pagan belief, and pagans basically believe that demons are the disembodied spirits of evil people, like human beings like me and you who passed away, who were evil in life. They believe that these people are still wreaking havoc in the spiritual realm. Like they believe they are the demons. The second belief is a Christian belief, where Christians believe that when Lucifer was cast out of the heavens, he brought with him like a 1/3 of the angels. And Christians believe that those angels that fell with Lucifer are the demons. Another belief of where demons come from is basically the gap theory between Genesis 1 and Genesis 2, where it is believed that the world was destroyed and remade pre-Adam. Before Adam, there was a whole civilization of people, and though they were destroyed, and because they are used to having a body, their spirits still roam, and therefore they are the demons. So people think the pre-Adamic people are demons. The final theory of where demons come from actually come from the book of Enoch. Now in the book of Enoch, it describes when the angels saw the daughters of men and how beautiful they were, and decided to choose wives among them. So each angel chose their wives and went in and had relations with the daughters of men, and the daughters of men became pregnant, and they bore children for these angels that were called Nephilim. They were giants, but the thing about the Nephilim, they were an abomination. So they came wicked and had all sorts of bad things about them. And then the flood came because the angels Gabriel and Michael went to God and told him that happened, and God punished the angels by telling them, listen, you will watch your children perish. They will go against each other and perish, and you will watch that, and their spirits will be evil spirits on the earth, and they will roam the earth with wickedness, and they will create problem for the children of men, and they will walk the earth and all of that. So a lot of people think that these Nephilim are the demons, and it really lays out in the book of Enoch. If you haven't read the book of Enoch, Jude, it is mentioned in the Bible by, I think Jude made reference to it, and also it was found with the Lost Sea Scrolls. So you can take a read, and it does kind of lay that out about where demons come from. But that is the fourth belief of where demons come from. But as I said before, it is not completely clear about where demons come from, but what you should know is that we have the authority to trample over demons, any snake, every scorpion, the lion, the dragon, the adder, the young lion. We have the power to trample them. We have the power to cast them out. They cannot stay if we don't want them to stay, and if we use the blood of Jesus against them, they have to leave. They can be defeated. We are stronger than demons. We don't need demons. All right.